I bet you didn't know your old CDs could actually put cash in your pocket. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss creative ways to turn clutter into cash. Do you have a box of old CDs tucked away, gathering dust? Once, they were the soundtracks to our lives, but now they're just taking up space. What if those CDs could bring you a little extra cash and a fresh start? Today, I'll show you 3 simple ways to make money from your old CDs, honoring your memories while creating new opportunities. Let's get started. First, let's talk about selling your CDs online. If you've got a collection gathering dust, it's easier than ever to find them a new home and make some extra cash in the process. Whether you have a handful of albums or shelves full of music, there's a buyer out there looking for exactly what you have. Platforms like eBay, Declutter, and Amazon connect you with music lovers and collectors searching for specific titles, rare finds, or even complete discographies. These sites make it simple to list your CDs, set your price, and reach a wide audience. Start by gathering your CDs, giving each one a gentle clean, and making sure the cases and discs are in the best shape possible. Take clear, well-lit photos of the front and back covers as well as the disc itself, so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Be honest about the condition. Note any scratches, cracks, or missing inserts. Check what similar CDs are selling for to set a fair and competitive price. Researching recent sales can help you avoid pricing too high or too low. If you have rare editions, box sets, or limited releases, highlight those details in your listing. Bundling several CDs together can also attract buyers looking to grow their collection quickly and often fetches a better price. Declutter makes things even easier by letting you scan barcodes for instant price offers. Once you accept, just pack your CDs securely, print the shipping label, and send them off. No need to wait for individual buyers. Remember, you're not just decluttering your space. You're sharing music and memories with someone new and earning a little extra in the process. It's a win-win for you and for fellow music fans everywhere. We all have those old CDs, scratched, worn, and no longer playable. Maybe it's a favorite album from your teenage years, a burned mix from a friend, or a home video you can't bear to throw away. The music may be lost, but the memories are still precious. These CDs are too special to simply toss in the trash. They hold stories, laughter, and moments you want to keep close. Instead of letting them gather dust, why not transform them into something beautiful? Break them into shimmering pieces for a mosaic, decorate them as eye-catching coasters, or craft one-of-a-kind jewelry that sparkles with nostalgia. Experiment with alcohol inks or vibrant paints to create dazzling effects. Each CD becomes a canvas for your creativity, reflecting light and color in unique ways. Don't forget to seal your finished pieces with a protective coating, ensuring your art lasts for years to come and stays as brilliant as your memories. Once you've created your upcycled masterpieces, share them with the world. List your CD art on Etsy, where people are always searching for unique handmade treasures. Or bring them to local craft fairs and markets, where shoppers love discovering items with a personal touch and a story behind them. Add your signature or a special note to each piece, making every creation truly one of a kind. Your art becomes a conversation starter and a keepsake. People are drawn to items with history and heart. Your upcycled CD crafts will stand out and attract admirers who appreciate their meaning. Give your cherished memories a vibrant new life, turning what was once forgotten into something to be celebrated and shared. And as you sell your creations, you'll find that creativity truly pays off, both in joy and in profit. Don't overlook the value of your local music stores. They're more than just places to buy and sell music. They're vibrant hubs for music lovers and collectors alike. Many people love browsing for used CDs, especially when they're in great shape. These stores often have hidden gems waiting to be discovered, and your collection could be just what someone else is searching for. Before you go, it's a good idea to call ahead and ask about their buying policies. Some shops have specific requirements or offer appointments for trade-ins. Once you know what to expect, bring in your CDs and see what they're interested in. You might walk away with cash in hand or store credit, which is perfect if you still enjoy discovering new music or want to upgrade your collection with something fresh. Selling locally keeps your music circulating within your community and directly supports small businesses, helping them thrive in a digital age. The experience is personal and direct. You get to interact with passionate store owners and fellow music fans, making the process rewarding on many levels. Your CDs find new fans, you free up space at home, and you might even leave with a little extra cash in your pocket, all while strengthening your local music scene. Today, you've learned 3 ways to give your CDs a new life and make money doing it. Whether you sell online, create art, or support local shops, you're honoring your past and embracing your future. Try these methods and let me know how it goes in the comments. Here's to joyful spaces and new beginnings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.